I need to get that with you because the person that's going to sit with you is at lunch. We tried to confirm up the time because I know you had said you were going to call back and get back with them.
No, Ms. Linda called me back to confirm 2 o'clock because 12 wasn't good for you guys.
I was there when she did that.
Right.
I thought that you said, well, I'll let you know.
No, we
could.
All right.
Okay, now there's also an invoice that has to be paid for $132.
On that particular invoice that was speaking of, the letter that came to me, I have a paid receipt where that was paid in full.
Copy of that? You paid, when did you pay that?
Well, as the date is here, September the 3rd, on those documents.
No, there's one. Okay, let me have copies of that and let Stephanie know what's going on because the invoice I have in sent over $132.
Okay, Linda had mentioned something about the finance office had something from, 5-6 months ago.
Last time or something?
Right, so that's the receipt that was pertaining to that. The reason it was pertaining to that, the letter indicated the items that I wanted dealt with the credit card expenditures, Lowe's, Walmart, and Sam's. That's the ones that pertain to, and the letter that I got, and the certified letter from you, your office.
Okay.
That's what the 130 was requested for, but that has been paid with a zero balance.
Let me get with the city clerk's office. If you don't mind having a seat, and I'll get right back with you because we do have the information available. So just give me a second, okay?
Okay.
Thank you, and I'll give her a call. With the city clerk on that.
Okay.
You're going to have to come back Monday. I cannot speak with the city attorney. I think you're recording, and I don't know what the procedures are on that, so I need to get clearance from the city attorney if you want to record anything.
So I cannot review the records that you had told me to come.
Without the gentleman with the cam recorder.
So I can't record this situation to review the originals.
Right now, I have to talk with the city attorney to verify that. I don't know, so I'm waiting to get back with the city attorney.
So I have to come back and reschedule all over again.
Come back on Monday, yes, sir.
What time Monday is sufficient?
I'm going to talk with the city attorney.
So really we don't know if Monday's going to be good because we got to wait to see what the city attorney says first.
Well, I mean, do you want to come back Monday? I mean, I'm leaving it up to you. I have a call into the city attorney right now to speak with her. So I have not heard back.
Well, let's just do this tentatively. I need to check my scheduling for everybody. But at this point, what time Monday is sufficient for you, for me to return?
You want to come back at, let's say, around 11 or 12? Will that work for you?
11 or 12 on Monday.
Correct. And if you will leave me a number, I will contact you and have the city attorney contact you.
Okay, Miss Linda has it, and the city hall down there has it.
You know, I'm not city hall. I'm over here. We just have to make sure that we're doing what we can.
Does she know you're an ex-councilman?
Miss Louita knows me very well.
I thought that.
So we're going to go get sale. And we're saying 11 or, is 11 o'clock Monday good?
Right now it's good for me, but I want you, what I'm going to do is try to, as soon as I hear from the city attorney regarding the recording, I will let you know, or either I will call you or she will call you or the city clerk will call you and let you know if that's acceptable because I don't know. So
now, what you're saying is you have the documents available right now, the originals.
I have the documents available.
The originals.
Now, it's our originals.
Okay, your originals, right. So that is ready for review right now.
Yes, it is.
The only thing is, can't have the camera.
Right now, I'm not sure whether you can have the camera.
Okay, but if I turn the camera off, then I can review the documents now.
And I think there's a $132 invoice.
But you said you was going to check with the clerk to see, and the city attorney, as if that is totally due based upon my receipt.
Correct.
So that was set aside now based on we need to just review the originals. That request.
I have no problem problem. My understanding is just the $132 was due.
Okay, and that's saying it's due on some other item, not today's item.
Not today's item.
Right. So if the camera turns off, I can review today's items now. Then I don't have to come back on Monday. Is that since I got a record that said the documents were ready from your agency for review, an appointment has been set.
I'm okay with that.
An appointment verbally was set up. You're saying the reason I can't review the original documents now is because there's a camera present.
That's the first item. The second item, read the last part of that letter.
Here? About $130?
Yes.
Okay. Which is from an invoice or from, it says, August 26th of last year. And your previous document that was sent to me certified to the home, which you have my home address and home phone number. But it said that that was done because of research of statement, council checks, Lowe's, Walmart, Home Depot, open record requests. Now, as I have a copy of the documents, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart, receipt, zero balance,
I don't know.
paid in full.
I don't know exactly what this is for.
Well, that came after the August situation that you're speaking of.
I don't, Scoggins, I don't know. That's something you'll have to take up. I don't know what this is for. It doesn't say, so I don't know.
Open record request response document, zero balance, paid $550 on September the 3rd. Your documents here that you're speaking of was dated for August 20th of last year. I'm saying that I don't owe that, so while you're waiting to get with the attorney to find out if I do, the documents, if the camera goes off, I can review the originals.
Read your letter. The letter tells you that that has to be paid before you can review the documents. I think that's what it says.
What that says about that is, when we talk about your retrieving the documents, however, no charge be made for the first 15 minutes. I'm going on through for the first 15 minutes. A deposit may be required for extensive research. A deposit may be required. Please provide my office with $132.32 to cover the cost for information that was furnished August 26, 2010.
Understand.
Right.
So,
There's a discrepancy.
Let's make it, so you said there's a discrepancy. Let me talk to the city attorney.
Okay, but I'm here now. I want to review the original documents on the last open record request.
Let me go with the city attorney because there's some discrepancy that I have to follow. So let me talk to the city attorney.
Okay. So I get, this is the last question, Ms. Louise.
Sure, go right ahead, Ms. Scott.
So what you're saying is, based on the appointed time and me appearing, based on the fact that you have to get with the city attorney regarding documents or fees that was due back in August of 2010.
That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying
These are documents dated August 2010.
All I'm telling you is I need to check with the city attorney to get clarity on what you can and cannot do. That's bottom line. That's what I'm doing.
To review the documents, and I cut the camera off, can I review the documents now?
Let me get with the city attorney.
Man.
So your answer is no.
Let me get with the city attorney. If she calls, if you want to sit and wait until she calls me back, then I
The chances of that on a Friday afternoon. So, Ms. Loretta, your answer is I cannot review the documents.
No, that's not my answer. My answer is I'm going to wait and hear back from the city attorney. I have a call into her. As soon as she returns my call, then I have no problem with letting you do whatever she advises me to do is what I will do. There's some questions here that needs to be answered, and I'm not...
In regards to, what would 3 questions be?
I'm going to take those questions up with the city attorney.
Okay. So basically,
I mean, you're welcome to sit and wait a few minutes until she calls me back, or you're welcome to reschedule. I mean, it's really important. The documents are here. I just need to get advice from the city attorney.
for me to review or to inspect. The city attorney needs to tell you, even after you send out the letter to come up.
Regarding some information that was sent
Okay, due to the fact that I came, I've complied, your time structure has been set, I appeared.
The time I was under the impression that the time had not been set. I was there when they made the call.
Well, if Ms. Linda, if you was there and Ms. Linda is there, I'm sure if we talk to her, she says that 2 o'clock was the time that I'm supposed to be here, and I'm here.
It was at 12, and then it said 2.
The reason it was 12 because they said that you had an appointment, that you would be at lunch, and the only available time that you would be able to sit down with me is at 2. If not, it would be one day next week. So I complied to the 2 o'clock. And now you're saying that I can't review the originals.
No, sir, Mrs. Scoggins, that is not correct. That is not what happened. When she was there, the comment was made, I will get back with you. And I have been calling to try to confirm that. And I understand that they have been calling to try to confirm.
Okay, so I'm here. You have the documents. You're here. I want to inspect. You say no. You have to check with the city attorney.
I never said no. I want that clear. I never said no. I said, let me check with the city attorney. As soon as I
so that I can review the
As
documents.
soon as I speak with the city attorney, then you can review the documents. I have a legal question for the city attorney that I must have answered first. Okay, so no, the answer is not no. The answer is I need to speak to the city attorney.
Well, that pretty much means no, because you won't. Okay. No. I'm not putting words in your mouth. I'm here to see the document. You say you have them. I'm standing here. I want to review the originals. You said no. You got to see the city attorney before I can review them.
Welcome to review the records as soon as I speak to the city attorney.
Okay, I see we're not going to get anywhere, but I'm tentatively saying 11 o'clock on Monday.
No, that's fine, but if you would like to wait, I will try to call her again and see if I can reach her.
Okay, I don't think that's going to. I don't think she's going to get back with us because it said come here, be here, set the point, and then she said no, you can't view them because we need to speak to her to ask her a legal question.
I'm not saying that. I'm saying you're welcome to wait until I call her. I'm not saying no at all. I want that understood. I'm not saying no, you cannot review the records.
Ms. Loretta, will you pass the records out and can I look at them right now?
I want that clear that I'm not saying that no.
Ms. Loretta, can I review the records right now?
You can review the records so
okay.
To the city attorney.
Okay,
I will go right now and try to call her again, and then I'll be right back.
Just ask you, Ms. Loretta, pursuant to what authority are you denying me the right to review my open record request?
I am not denying you any rights to review the open records request. You have someone here with a camera. I don't know if we can allow that or not. I have not.
I said he would turn it off.
Okay, now, you can come in and review records. My appointment was with you, so you can come in and review the records. So it will be you.
Right now?
Right now.
Okay, can I bring someone else in? No one else can
No, if you want to bring someone else, I don't have space to accommodate anyone else. If you want to bring someone else, we can reschedule. And we'll accommodate that additional person.
If we both stand.
No, I have a spot here where I would have you sit with the records. The records is too many records. My appointment was with you, Mrs. Scoggins. We did not advise you to sit with you, and that there's a legal concern with the camera. I don't know what the answer is to that. That's why I will talk to the city attorney. I don't know.
When me and the attorney came before and we all went in the back, that wasn't a problem.
I don't know. Right now.
And you were there.
Right now, I'm saying that
you were there.
Review the records, Mr. Scoggins. You could come in and review the records. I will not allow the cameras until I get legal advice because I don't know. I am not an attorney. That's why we have the city attorney. And I'm willing to let you come and review the records if that's what you want to do. Now, if you want the cameras there, we have to talk to the city attorney. If you want to bring others in, we have to make space to accommodate those